of Meet, Greet, and Buy with video endorsers Lola Pascual and Bel Mariano. Sobrang dami ng supporters bago mag-start at even after the film screening, just to catch a glimpse of their fireworks.
Yes, thank you very much, of course, Ms. Jeannie, my video family. Thank you, guys. Video, of course, is a special participation in our film. Thank you very much. Ano ko lagi yan, lucky charm ko lagi sa mga pelikula ko.
Yes, I also want to say hi to our BTO family na nandito. It's so nice that I'm able to grow with a family that I really truly believe in, BTO. What I love about this film, it really gives so much importance to the people we love. And that doesn't necessarily mean kailangan bloodline kayo. Family could be anyone, and I do believe that each and every one of us here can relate to this film because it talks so much about love, and love is a universal topic that everyone can relate to. So, madami kayong mababaon dito. Ang dami talaga, ang dami yung emosyon na mararamdaman. Some of these emotions, mga hindi nyo pa na nararanasan or nararamdaman before, but it really...
Bakit blooming ka ngayon, Belinda?
Grabe naman!
Parang may bisita ka sa kabila.
Going back, ayun nga, mapapahalaga natin yung mga taong mahal natin.
Ba't parang namumula ka bigla?
Uy, grabe ka! Grabe mo si Jeannie.
Di ba, nag-blush ka, Belinda?
Sakto-sakto na naka-blush na si Bel.
Ano mo baon na ng aral dito? Ano mo baon na ng aral?
Maraming aral, you know, as she said, you know, it's a universal topic. Love is a universal topic. But what we can be proud about is the sense of family. Sense of family kasi makikita mo talaga dito how nag-arise yung conflict, how we were able to resolve that. As much as it's a sensitive topic, basta magdala na lang kayo. Meron ba kayong mga tissue?
Prepared sila. Each scene.
Kasi I'm so scared to watch it because, you know, it hits close to home. Pero syempre, pelikula lang po ito. Pero masasabi namin talaga na marami kayong hindi lang kapupulutang aral. Kumbaga, different emotions na mararamdaman all throughout the film. At pinaghandaan talaga ng Star Cinema. They wrote the script for so long and they really prepared something so beautiful and sana po magustuhan po ninyo.
Sobrang naiyak ako. Lalo na yung talk sa family nila. Gagaling ba sila? Sobra. Tago sa puso.
Sobrang na-touch po ako kasi parang very relate din po ako sa kwento. Ang nangyari lang po yung father ko may sakit. And then nawala din siya. So habang kanina, inabutan niya ako ng tissue kasi hindi ko na mapigilan. Sobrang umayak po talaga ako as in. Tapos sa puso. So parang pinafeel ng movie na kailangan pahalagahan natin yung pamilya natin, most probably yung parent natin while they're still there. Tapos yung pagkakaisa ng mga kapatid, yun po yung pinaka-important.
Para sa akin po, sobrang nakaka-touch po yung movie. Sobrang, ayan, kita naman po nakakayo. And just sobrang nagagalingan kami sa acting ng mga actors. Sobrang galing po nila. Na-portray nila yung mga feelings and emotions na talagang nakaka-touch sa puso. Nagay po nila si Joshua, si Fiona po, sobrang gagaling nila mag-deliver ng nakakayak na scene. Si JK, sobrang nakakatawa na nararamdaman mo din na ang galing na din mag-act. And si Bel, sobrang galing na din.
The film warmed my heart. Ang ganda nung family dynamics, nung conflicts, nung struggles ng mga characters na very relatable. Na walang bola, given naman na ang gagaling nilang lahat. And gusto ko yung confrontation scene. Siyempre hindi kayo didetalye, pero gusto ko i-commend si Papa P. Kasi iba. Siyempre ayoko magdetalye, mag-spoiler, pero iba siya based on the other movies na ginawa niya na may ganong eksena. Sa favorite ko yung mga dining table scenes at saka yung ending. Hindi ako makamove on hanggang ngayon sa ending. So nakita niyo naman ang ngiti ko. Abangan niyo na lang. Because
feeling ko for everybody who has watched the film, parang it will make you feel that you wanna go home and hug your mom. So yun yung naramdaman ko when I saw the film. And I think yun din yung naramdaman ng maraming nanood ng pelikula ngayong gabi. I think the main anchor of the film, apart from the beautiful story, is the acting of the main cast. Actually, even the support cast, they were brilliant. Abangan, well, I don't want to spoil the story, but I believe that the story will resonate with every Filipino family. Well, the story is very universal, and I think lahat tayo makaka-relate.
Ito po ang aming kapatid na si JK Juan Carlos. Gusto ko namin sa inyo.
Hi, video family! Maling sinihan na masukan ko. O baka tama. Hi everyone, Juan Carlos nga pala. Just want to say thank you for everyone sa pagpunta at sana magustuhin po ninyo ang Meet and Buy. Hi sa inyo. Very enjoyed sa front row. Hi po, Juan Carlos. Okay, yun lang. Bye-bye, bye-bye.